Here's the board that Kenny demoed for us. If you've ordered just the board, you'll get just the board inside that red square. If you've ordered the kit, you'll get everything you see here apart from the black and red cables. There's 4 connections on the board. V-in is where you connect the power supply. We'll supply a power supply as part of the kit, but you can add your own 9 volts or 12 volt power. We've tested it for 48 hours straight at both voltages. Ground is where you'll connect the negative power connection if you're using a battery or similar source. And the way it works is you'll connect, where you connect the positive into the V-in, you also connect that to the anodes of all your LEDs. The LEDs we supply you come pre-resisted, so you don't have to worry about that. And then for the cathode of the LEDs, if you run it back to the strobe connection on the board, it'll be a strobe. If you can run it back to the nav connection on the board, it'll be a navigation light. Strobes flash for 75 milliseconds and are off for a second. Navigation lights are on for 1.25 seconds and then are off for 1.5 seconds. And you can run up to 20 strobe lights and 20 nav lights at the same time off this board without any problems. So hopefully it gives you a good overview of the new board.